So for the most part, Rare Patient Voice is a market research company, and my background goes way back in market research. But the idea with Rare Patient Voice is to give originally rare patients and their caregivers, meaning family members, a chance to share their opinions, to share their experiences, to help companies that are working on treatments and devices and things understand from the patient's point of view what needs to be done. The also non-rare, when I started, I just assumed that the needs of the non-rare patients were already being met. There's other research companies, and if you have diabetes, unfortunately, you're not that rare and you can be easily found. But we found that companies did want to help us or want us to help them reach non-rare patients. And we found non-rare patients were eager to join up too. So we said, who are we to say no to anybody? Though I didn't want to change the name. So we said, we'll call it Rare Patient Voice, but we'll add that to let people know that everybody is welcome, also non-rare. And then I always feel everybody's rare in their own way too, right? Everybody's individual and such. So we want to keep that focus on rare, but not exclude anybody. But one thing that the milestone we've recently passed, we pay patients for taking part in surveys, and we pay them at the rate of $100 an hour. Well, we were excited to have passed the $7 million. So since we've started, we've paid patients and caregivers $7 million for taking part in surveys. And the interesting thing is, the first thing patients mention is it's not about the money. They say, I'm just so interested, somebody cares, somebody's interested, somebody wants to talk to me about this. My family's tired of hearing me talk about it, but somebody that cares. And so, but I think the money is important for a couple of reasons. One, so many people tell us they may be on disability, their careers may have been shortchanged. If they're a caregiver, so often they've given up, and it's often a mom given up a career to take care of a child. So the money comes in handy for those folks. And I also think if you're a company, if you're a pharma company, a biotech, you're going to value more what you've paid for. And I think I think there's a value in having the patients paid, because I think people value their voices even more having paid for them. So we're proud of that. And I did want to mention that.